Hello and welcome to Rajesh Gurule's performance-based consulting for real estate. This is something that I have started offering to real estate clients. Today we are going to discuss most frequently asked questions that might be in your mind since the moment you came to know about my performance-based consulting program. So here I am trying to answer all those questions. It may happen that there might be more questions on your mind, and I would love to answer those questions if they are not already answered via this video. So please feel free to ask any question, any doubt, any concern that you have in your mind. For the time being, we are going ahead with whatever common questions that may come into your mind. So the very first question is my fees. I'm charging two types of fees. One is commitment fees and second is performance based fees. So the question is, why should a builder or a developer pay me the fixed fees, which I'm calling commitment fees, when no one else in the marketing is demanding or doing this way? So there are few things that I would like to address when it comes to my fixed fees. The very first thing is I'm calling this commitment fees. Now what is commitment and what is commitment fees? Commitment is something that I will be doing certain things for you, your company, your projects, your sales team, your marketing team, and I need some commitment from your side that you will be following my recommendations, you will be following the systems that I am going to implement, you will be following or you will be actually running the marketing campaigns that I will be preparing for you and your projects. To have that, to actually ensure that you will follow my advice, I am taking this small fees as commitment fees. For me, it's a commitment from your side that you will be doing these things. Because when we pay someone something, then we take that person or we make that person accountable also. So from my side, it's going to be commitment fees. From your side, you will be holding me accountable for certain things. Now let me give you an example of one type of channel partners. We call them real estate agents. So real estate agents solely operate on commissions. Whenever they bring any customer to builder, and the sale is done, then after that they get some commission for for matching that customer with your properties. I am not commission agent, I am not real estate agent, I am not some kind of channel partner. I am going to get that fixed fees for one reason, and that reason is commitment from your end, accountability from my end. Now when we are talking about real estate agent, what kind of commitment he is having towards your projects? What kind of commitment you are having to that real estate agent? Practically none. You are not accountable, both of you are not accountable to each other, both of you are not committed to each other, both of you are not loyal to each other. That same agent may be taking the same customer to 10 other builders, and whichever property is getting purchased, he is going to get his commission. So there is no commitment as such. So when there is no commitment, there is no accountability also. You cannot call that real estate agent maybe every week and ask him why he is not bringing customers to your place, customers to your project. There is no accountability, there is no commitment on his end. You cannot hold him accountable. He might be going to 9 other builders, but he won't come to you. Or he may come to you and not go to some other people. But there is no commitment from his end. Same way there is no commitment from your end also to him. Of course, the commitment, there is some kind of activities that will be done. If he brings some customers, then your team will be showing them property and all those things. But beyond that, he is not committed to you, he is not accountable to you, he is not responsible to you. Same way, you are not accountable to him, you are not committed to him, you are not loyal to him, you are not responsible for his earning also. I want in performance based consulting some kind of commitment, not some, I want very strong commitment. I want very strong accountability from your end as well as from my end. From your end, I want you to be very much interested in doing the things that I will be telling you to do. From my end, I want me and my team to be accountable. When we say something will be done, then we are accountable. You can hold us accountable why this thing is not done yet. When there is no exchange of that commitment fees, there is no accountability from both of our ends. And that's why real estate agents, and that's how real estate agents and builder, that relationship works. Whereas when you are paying your sales executive, then see, instant commitment occurs, instant accountability occurs, instant responsibility starts from that point onwards. The moment the person is hired on certain payment, he is bound to do certain activities every day. He is expected to do sales. He is expected to be there. Not same with your real estate agents. So the first part is I'm taking it as commitment fees, and I'm treating it as an accountability fees. Now that is just one part. Second reason I am taking this commitment fees is, imagine the scenario. I am going to 10 builders and I am offering them my services under performance based consulting. I tell them I will improve your marketing, I will improve your sales, I will improve your marketing so that your marketing expenses will remain same, but you will start getting more and more leads and more quality leads. I am going to improve your sales by training your salespeople, by providing various selling systems and procedures, by implementing those in your place. And I am going to improve your conversion by sharing the conversion tools that I have devised, conversion strategies that I have perfected over so many years. And I will be doing all the work. I will be doing everything for implementing these things. You have to pay me after you start getting the results. You don't have to pay me anything initially. You will be paying me if and only if these things produces results for you. And that is my offer. Would you like me to work with you on these terms? Now, if I take this offer without commitment fees, without that fixed fees, and go to 10 people, then what is your idea how many people will say yes to me? Probably most of them. Almost all of them will say yes, we want to work with you. Very few people say no to real estate agents because they know that they don't have to do anything. All they have to do is share part of their profit after the sale is done. Nothing before. So most of the builders, they never say no to channel partners, that is real estate agents, because they don't have anything to lose. Everything is to be gained there. My point is, if I take this offer without commitment fees and go to 10 builders, then probably I will get everybody to say yes to that offer, irrespective of whether that person is serious or not, whether that person is committed or not, whether that person is going to implement my strategies or not. And that is exactly what I don't want to happen. I want only serious people. I want only serious builder. I want really those builders who want to improve their sales, who want to sell faster, who want to sell better, and who want to sell at higher rates. I want those people who are ready to work with the strategies, with the knowledge, with the guidance, with the training that I am going to provide. And that is the reason, the moment I introduce my commitment fees that they have to pay every month, probably 80 to 90% of people, they start saying no. But there is always 1, 2 or 3 people who are going to say yes to me. And I want those 2 or 3 people only out of those 10. Because in that case, I will be able to produce better results for these people. Only because they are committed, they are more committed, and their commitment is showing through the fees they are going to pay me, commitment fees. And again, that commitment fee is very small if you consider all the things that I am going to do for you, for your projects, for your company, for your various departments, for your entire team. So that is second of my answer, that if I don't charge that commitment fees, then almost every builder will say that yes, I want to work with you. But I want really the committed people, so I am charging that commitment fees. Third part is, I always believe in tremendous value addition. Just for sake of discussion, think of my commitment fees and just check out the things me and my team will be doing for you. And you will find that there is huge list in here. And if you put, maybe couple of thousand rupees for each of these items, then you will feel that my commitment fees is, really minuscule compared to the value you will be getting. So if there are 30 things I am doing, and here I am charging you a very small commitment fees. So compared to that commitment fees, you will see that the list of these 30 things is much, much, much bigger. And that is actually the case. So the value addition that I am going to add, my team is going to add is, 10, 20, 50, even 100 times what you are paying me in commitment fees. Right? Now, fourth and I think the best part that you will love is, as soon as the number of properties sold touches to 10 in any given month, Okay, we count month from 1st to 30th or 31st, and the moment this my fees the number of properties we sell for your company, or number of properties your team sell for your company with my and my team's help in all these areas, the moment it touches 10 sales or 10 bookings, your commitment fees is waived off. Means that fees will be adjusted against my fees, which is performance based. So you don't have to pay me that commitment fees, and that will happen at the 10th booking. Now you tell me, who will be more motivated to do 10 bookings for you? Your entire team and me too. My team also. I am not really interested in that commitment fees that you are going to pay me every month. I am actually interested in that performance based fees that I am looking for, because there is no limit in that, and that's why I am waiving this these commitment fees, these fixed fees on the moment 10th booking is done in any month. If every month we cross 10 plus bookings, you don't need to pay me that commitment fees. So I think now I have answered most of your questions or most of your reservations about the commitment fees that I am charging you. If you still have anything, any doubts about the commitment fees, please feel free to get in touch with me. Thanks for watching this. We'll move to next question now.